Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geneva. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I have a couple of jewelry unboxings. So if you want to see what I've added to my collection, then please continue to watch. Okay, before we get into the actual unboxing, I want to have a little yap session and catch up with you guys. I've missed you so much, but if you're here just for the unboxing, I will put a timestamp right here for when that actually gets started. But for everybody else, hey girl, hey, how are you guys doing? I hope you are having a fantastic start to your 2026. Happy New Year. I know it's the middle of January, but this is the time that I feel like the actual new year is getting started for me. I unintentionally took a break in December, and that was because my family, all except my eldest, we came down with the flu and we were all down bad. And then Christmas rolled around. At the beginning of January, my parents decided to renew their wedding vows. So they celebrated their 50th wedding anniversary. It was absolutely beautiful and amazing. But now we're back home. So now I'm ready to get into the swing of things. However, I say all that, and I'm in Virginia. We're starting to prepare for Snowmageddon of 2026. Like, what is life? So I don't know if we're going to get 3 inches or if we're going to get 30 inches, but we are all prepared. So I figured, let me get this video in before we are down, y'all. Fingers crossed that no one loses power, that there's just a little dusting of snow, but the forecasts are up and down. I don't know what's happening. But yes, for 2026, if you guys want to see a luxury wish list for me, let me know. One of the things that I really want to focus on for 2026 is my jewelry. You guys already know how much I love adding pieces to my collection, and I wasn't sure what I was going to title this video. If I was going to say, you know, what did I get for Christmas, first unboxing of the new year, by the time you're seeing this, I would have decided on a title. But I have these pieces. I actually got them December of last year. I just haven't had a chance to actually get on camera, film, and show you guys, but I wanted to give you guys an update, especially for one of the pieces. You will recognize it. And then there's some new pieces. So let me quit yapping and get right into it. Here's the first piece that we're going to unbox. You can tell from the packaging that it is from Bloomingdale's. You guys know how I feel about Bloomingdale's. We go together real bad. I love their reward system. I love the fact that they participate in Rakuten and I can get cash back on my purchases. This is not sponsored. I wish it was, but I absolutely love shopping at Bloomingdale's. If you order a piece that I'm about to show you guys, matter of fact, let me just open it and then I'll tell you. So it is a David Yurman piece. If you want the pretty David Yurman packaging, the little box that their pieces come in, you will not get that from Bloomingdale's. So I want to make sure that you're aware of that. For me, I know I'm going to be wearing the jewelry pieces, and it came with a travel pouch and also a dust cloth. So I don't feel as though I need the box. I'm going to be wearing these pieces, and I have a really nice jewelry box to keep all my items in. But if that's something that you're interested in, I just wanted you to be aware of that. So you can probably tell by the size of this what it is, but I'll go ahead and open that up and reveal this beautiful, I'm going to come closer, beautiful, stunning ring. I'm going to show you guys all the way around because this is a sterling silver piece. If you needed to take it to the store and get it resized, you have that little space right there, so that way you can do so. Just going to come a little bit more closer so you guys can see. This is the David Yurman Petite buckle ring in sterling silver with diamonds in the 2mm size. I wanted to get this piece, and you'll see why in a minute, why specifically. But I love it so much. It's a dainty little ring. I think it would be perfect for stacking. This is available in 3 different finishes. You can get it in sterling silver and diamonds like I have it. You can also get it in sterling silver and yellow gold with diamonds, or 18 karat yellow gold with diamonds. As you guys know, I'm trying to build up my silver collection, trying to build up and kind of finish it. So that's exactly why I'm adding more pieces to silver before going into gold. I love both metals. I got it to go on my pointer. Okay, here she is. So gorgeous. I love it so much. I'm just going to keep coming in a little bit closer so that way you can see the diamonds right there. It's so pretty. I absolutely adore this piece. I think that it is true to size and it has weight to it, so it feels like a very luxe piece of jewelry, even though it's small. I think it's something perfectly that I can stack with other David Yurman pieces, and I just love this so much. Let's go into the cost breakdown for this piece. So this gorgeous David Yurman ring retails for $450. If I didn't mention sizes before, it is available from size 4 all the way to a 10, and I believe that it is true to size. Okay, let's get into the next piece. Any guesses about what is in this box for our next unboxing? Pause this video and comment down below. If you've been around my channel for a little while, you probably have a good guess. I picked up this beautiful David Yurman piece. I'm going to come a little bit closer. This is the David Yurman Buckle Classic Cable Bracelet in sterling silver with diamonds in the 5mm size. You can see that the buckle is in the center and then it's flanked on both sides by diamonds. She's such a gorgeous piece, and you guys are familiar with this piece for me because I unboxed this last year. So let's go into that. Last year, I got this piece. My wrist is a 6.5. And according to the David Yurman website, if you are in between sizes, you should size up. I decided to ignore that advice and to get a medium. And I did that because I don't like when my bracelets are falling down. I want them all stacked on my wrist beautifully. So I got the medium, it came in, and guess what? It was a little too snug. I asked you guys for your recommendations, suggestions, and everybody was like, go up, go up, go up. So this is the large. So I have a 6.5 wrist and I went with the large, and I'm gonna put it on and then you guys tell me your thoughts. So to get into this piece, this is what it looks like all the way around. I'm just going to unhook it like that, and you can spread it apart some just to make it easier to put on your wrist. When I've been trying it on, I put it down this way and then clasping it, and there it is. Let me put my sleeve down some. Okay, so this is what it looks like on. And you can already notice that, what is it doing that I don't like? It slides down. It doesn't slide down a lot. And because I've waited to film this video, I'm already past the return exchange. So we're just gonna live with it. But if you like your jewelry a little bit tighter, just know that this is what it's gonna look like if you have a 6.5 wrist and if you get the large. So I'm concerned when I add my other pieces, because I'm gonna get my diamond tennis bracelet this year. And I'm just concerned that, and even though I know it's a diamond and I don't have to worry about the scratches, I'm just worried about if it does scratch like the other metals, if it's like, coming down, I don't know. So this is what it looks like. And if you can see, let me see if I can show you guys. There, I think you can see there, all that extra space there. So yeah, I absolutely love this piece. The sizing, I'm confused about it, but we have the large. We're going to stick with the large and hope that I don't feel as though I have an issue with it. I think it's fine. But yeah, I love this piece, and it's pairs so nicely with the matching ring. Both of them have the diamonds in it, and I am obsessed. This piece is available in sizes extra small all the way to an extra large, and it retails for $595. But I just love this. These are my first David Yurman pieces, and I just think they are so beautiful. I love it so much. But I wanted to give you guys an update, let you know that I did get the large. This is what she looks like. And now that we have unboxed this and I've finally shown it to you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take this tag off. Let me cut that off because she's gonna stay home. I'm so happy that I added these pieces to my collection. I think they are so pretty. Okay, let's go to the last and final unbox. Okay, our final thing that we have to unbox is a true unboxing. I have not opened this up at all. So we are going to learn about this piece together, and fingers crossed that it fits. So I have the, ooh, it's so bright. I have the Oura Ring 4. When you purchase the Oura Ring, you have the option of getting your true size or getting one of their sizing kits. And I decided to get the sizing kit because I wanted to be certain that I got the right size. This is what it looks like when it comes in the mail. And you will see they have options from size 4 all the way to 15. I'm gonna come a little bit closer so that way you can see the different sizing that is available. And they recommend that you wear it on your non-dominant hand. So that would be my left hand, but I had this cutie going here, so I didn't want it on the hand. So I sized it to fit on my right finger, on my right pointer finger. So let's hope that this fits and that it's not too big. So this is what the sizing 10 looks like on my finger. And I thought it was perfect. So that's the size that I purchased in the Oura Ring. And I guess I should probably start with, if you're not familiar with an Oura Ring, this is my year to get nice, healthy, fit, snatched. So I wanted something that was going to track my fitness, my overall health, women's health, my sleep, all that kind of stuff. So that's why I got the Oura Ring. It's like having a Fitbit, but cuter. And I also like that they have covers for these. I haven't purchased any yet, but you can purchase covers like gold ones and different colors in case, you know, you want it to go with your outfit. All right, so now let's go ahead and get into the packaging. All right, so I'm gonna slide this out. There's one on this side too. All right, slide this out. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay, so this is what the ring looks like. This is the charging station that comes with it. You also receive a cord for it as well. Let me bring that a little bit closer so that way you guys can see it with that sun glaring at us. And fingers crossed, now's the moment of truth to see whether or not it fits my finger. And it does, it's perfect. I wonder if it could have been a little bit more snug. But you guys know I love my sterling silver. So this is what that looks like on my finger. And yeah, it feels very comfortable. It doesn't feel too big at all. So I will keep you guys updated on this and let you know whether or not, if I like it, if I feel like it's too cumbersome or bulky. But right now, if it's really comfortable on my finger, I don't feel it coming off at all. And yeah, so that's my other new piece of jewelry that I wanted to add. As you can see, I am obsessed with my new pieces. I'm so happy that I have finally unboxed them with you guys so I can start enjoying these pieces. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel and coming back often, especially if you like beauty, fashion, travel, all that kind of great stuff is what you can expect to see here. If there's anything that you guys want to see from me in 2026, just comment down below so we can get that started. And if you've added any new jewelry pieces or if there's anything on your wish list, comment down below so I can see what you guys are up to. Thank you so much for supporting this channel and watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one. All right, bye.